Our adventure today will showcase a sweeping aerial view of the island on a helicopter, featuring Kilauea and Mauna Loa volcanoes, vibrant rainforests, and a dramatic landing in the 1,200 feet cascade at Laupahoehoe Nui. This is a two-part video, so make sure to look for the second part. Enjoy! Our journey begins at the Waikoloa heliport towards Volcano National Park. Our first experience is the view of punalu'u, a cinder volcanic cone on the east rift zone of Kilauea. Punalu'u is Hawaiian name for Hairy Hill, an older volcanic hill covered with vegetation, surrounded by the younger lava flow. We are flying over Halemaumau, a pit crater located within Kilauea's summit caldera. It is the home of Pele, the Hawaiian goddess of fire, lightning, wind, and volcanoes. Kilauea is one of the world's most active volcanoes and holds a central place in Hawaiian mythology. Kilauea is a Hawaiian word that means spewing or much spreading, referring to its frequent outpouring of lava. Halemaumau contained an active lava lake for much of the time before 1924 and was the site of several eruptions during the 20th century. The crater again contained an active lava lake between 2008 and 2018, with the level of the lava usually fluctuating between 20 and 150 meters below Halemaumau's crater floor. The lava lake drained away in May 2018. A little further up, we can see a smaller pit crater that is next to the main summit caldera of Kilauea. It is called Kilauea Iki and offers visitors a unique chance to walk across a solidified lava lake that was once a pool of molten rock. According to legend, Pele was born in Kahiki, an ancient homeland, and embarked on a journey to find a new home where she could freely express her fiery nature. After traveling through various Hawaiian islands, she eventually settled at Kilauea, establishing it as her domain.
We did have a pretty recent breakout about 3 weeks ago. Over here where there's like a real big lava slick over there, there's two little craters. See the one next to the steam? That's called Kaninui Ohamu. Then the next bigger one is called Maka'opuhi.
As you can hear, our pilot is also our tour guide. We are on the Big Island Spectacular with landing tour operated by Blue Hawaiian helicopters. The cost for this adventure is around $700 per person plus tax. First class, the front two seats are a little bit higher. We added a $30 trip protection and we also added a $75 in-flight video. We did not like the quality of it, as our pics and videos from our phones were much better.
There's Pu'u'o. Now guys, this went steadily. I mean like lava boiling up inside of it since 1983. We had a 2018 flow. All the volcanoes over here just kind of drained out, including Kilauea back there. Kilauea was like a 2,000 foot hole straight down. But all that lava went out. You see it on the left? See all that dark black lava right there on the point? That is the 2018 flood.
Kilauea's continuous activity is seen as a manifestation of Pele's enduring spirit and power. The lava flows that reshape the land are viewed as both destructive and creative forces. We are now approaching Hilo, which has the view of two volcanoes, Mauna Loa, an active volcano, and Mauna Kea, a dormant volcano. The city also overlooks the beautiful Hilo Bay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, help us grow this community. Like and subscribe. And remember, look for the second part of this adventure. Let's go!